This is Lego Ideas coming at you. So this is another Transformer. It's actually 4 Transformers, and this is actually based off of one of Stupid Ninja's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Party Van Transformer. And go check out Stupid Ninja's YouTube channel. He makes some pretty cool Transformers. And so let's get right into it. So this, I haven't come up with a name for this vehicle that I made for him, but it splits into 4. So I'm going to go into the alternative transformation for this. You actually fold up the wheels. It's kind of flimsy because it's made of just Technic. And it's like a drone car. Or, yeah. And this is kind of like a fiddly toy where you just keep fiddling with it. Yeah. And so it's actually 4 Transformers. You come to here behind the wheel, you pull it off on both sides. So we're going to start with the front of the vehicle. So you take this, fold it down, and then you fold the wheel forward. No, wait, you turn him. Let's do that later. So you actually turn these, fold them out, then you turn it the other way. Then you fold this up, turn it around. Then you turn these 180 or 360. Then you fold up the tires. You push them forward. That makes feet. I got this idea from Stupid Ninja. It's based off of his Transformer. And we're going to go to the back. I'll do the middle ones later. You do the same thing with the legs. You fold them down. And then you fold the legs. You push the tires forward. You need to keep constantly forcing it. It doesn't break the Legos, it just pushes them out of place, so it makes feet. So it's the same as this guy's legs. You fold these up, and then you fold these little tiny arms out, and yeah, this guy, I'm not sure, he has 4 arms. He's got these 2 long arms, he's got these tiny little arms, and this is his head. You have to turn it like this. Yeah. These are kind of weird looking, but actually, you turn them the same way that you do with those. They're like a little block. This is actually their head, and you use these pegs for their feet. You have to fiddle with it. So I kind of went fast on that one. So you actually take the arms, fold them up, fold them out, you fold down the legs, turn them out, you bring it out. Oops. Messed that up. Oops. You turn them this way. Then you got 2 completely same robots. So these guys, the two big guys, I'll put these on. They can turn into different things for Bionicles if you like that kind of stuff. The one video that I need my test dummy for, my test dummy Bionicle, I got rid of him. But you actually take his head, you fold it down. You actually bring these all the way up like this. And these become like shoulder cannons. You put the Bionicle in this area like this. You connect them to the guy's back. You fold these up, so he's got shoulder pads. His arms come through here, so he's got that. Or, right, then this guy, he's more of a jetpack. So you take his arms, you fold them up. Right, you leave them out like this, so they go under the arms. You fold his head, turn it completely around. Then these, you put over the Bionicle, so it's like a little cockpit for him. And then these are the jetpack wings. Yeah. And to put them all back together, you just fold them all up. So how I folded that arm up is I took the gun, folded it down, turned it around, then brought it down, turned it. First, before you do that, you take the head, turn it around, then you fold it down, you turn it so it's a block. And then you take the legs, you turn them, bring them down. And that's a fourth of the car. And then you fold this up, turn his head around. You take his arms, you fold it down. You wiggle them down. You fold up the legs. You turn it. Oops. Turn it. Then it's the back, then the front. And these guys, they're simple. You just fold up their arms, fold them down. You fold it. Like that. And then what you want to do is you take this black peg, you connect it into that hole. And then you do the same thing with the other guy. You connect them. And this is where you have to get it aligned up. You connect them into these holes. You align everything up, so then you push it all in. It's all a normal car. Yeah, and so I haven't come up with names for my Transformers. Leave a comment down below of what name you guys think it should be. And this is Lego Ideas signing out.